Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to share a garden update. And this little girl came to see me, so I thought I'd share and let her say hey. I think she wants to say hey to YouTube. Say hey YouTube friends. Good morning. She's a sweet girl. She showed up as a stray. Couldn't touch her for almost like 5 months. She lived with my chickens and I fed her. And then I decided I was going to get her spayed. So I called her, took her to the vet, they spayed her, and they even clipped her ear. And at that time, I still couldn't hardly touch her. Well, after she's almost a year now, I can finally touch her. She decided she wants to be our friend, but the only two she likes is me and Travis. So, she grew up with chickens the first 5 months of her life and wouldn't have nothing to do with us, but I fed her with the chickens. And now, she's just a sweet kitty. She's just a sweet kitty. Y'all look at her. She's just gonna sit here with me. Whitefoot. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Meow. She's like, oh, don't mess with me. She still hangs out with the chickens a lot, but she does come to the house now and sits at the door. But she loves her chickens friends still. Check and see if we got any eggs, but it's pretty early. Oh, I got one already. We'll leave it to the other ones lay. Well, okay, y'all. I want to share a little garden update. I showed y'all this where we got it planted. And here's what it's looking like. It's taking off pretty good. Right here we have our peppers. I've got a couple right there I've actually got to pick. Our cucumbers are starting to take off, but I still don't have any cucumbers on them. But we do have a lot of blooms, so it won't be long, hopefully. We'll be getting cucumbers. And the pepper plants are starting to get a good many blooms. So, hopefully we'll get more peppers. But all these cucumbers up here are starting to run. And what I'm wanting to let them do is run to that cattle panel. And I'm on a wire, let them go up that wire. Now right here are my tomato plants. And they're not doing good. I've got a few blooms on this one. And I actually have a little baby tomato on this one. But they got something black going on with their leaves. And this one is getting it too on the bottom. If any of y'all know what that is, comment down below. What do I need to do for them? And then right here, this is the squash we planted last, so it's a little bit smaller. And over here, I have a roll of squash, yellow squash, and this one is a roll of zucchini. Now it's starting to look good. Got to get in there and do some more weeding, hoeing. But they are starting to get bigger, so we're going to have a lot of zucchini and squash, I hope. And right here are what they call crowder peas. These are some seeds that Travis had. And they were older seeds, y'all. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to take a chance and see if they'll come up. And y'all just look how pretty them peas are. I hope to get a couple good messes out of that. And over here is our okra. Now they're just now starting to do good. Took them a while for some reason. Took them longer. And right here I have little baby eggplants coming up down through there. And right here is our row of zucchini. Now it's getting big. Let's walk down there and see the biggest ones. Look at that. Oh, y'all look. That wasn't there. I got a baby zucchini coming on. With a bloom and a bait, 2 of them. That's the biggest plant right there. So I'm hoping by next week, I'm gonna have some little zucchinis to be picking. And this one's big. But y'all look, my first zucchini. I'll have to show that to Travis. He's gonna be excited too. And then on this next row, I've got a roll of green beans that Alan and Haley gave me those seeds. And I'm getting little bitty blooms on them also, a bunch. So maybe within a week or two, I'm gonna have a mess of green beans. And y'all look over here. These are our onion sets. Look how much green they're already putting off. It didn't take them little onions no time to start coming up. I might get me some more and fill in the spots. And I can hear the bees, y'all, so I want to show y'all something. Y'all look at my crepe myrtle tree this year. She's prettier than she's ever been. I guess we'll trim her up in the fall before next year. But she is making some bees very happy these last couple of days. You can just see the bees. Now there's a story behind this tree, y'all. When Alan was about 7 or maybe 8, maybe a little bit older, I'm not sure. He run over my Japanese maple tree. I had 2 of them that they had got me for Mother's Day. He run over one of them and mowed it down to the ground. So we had went to a thrift store that had a little plant stand out beside it where they rooted and growed flowers. Well, while me and Barbara was in the thrift store, Alan dug up all the change he could find between him, TJ, the ashtray, and in the bottom of the car, wherever he could find money. He dug up enough money to go to that plant stand, and he bought me this crepe myrtle to replace my Japanese maple tree. So this tree means a lot to me. He planted it to replace my other one because he felt bad about cutting my little Japanese maple tree down. So I never really wanted to trim this tree because it means a lot to me. But I guess we will cut it this year and trim it up because it's getting way too big. But y'all just look at them bees. They're happy bees. And that Alan, he's a mess. He was determined that day he was going to get me another tree when he seen that plant stand. So he brought this home and planted it. And look at her now. She's a big old girl. Let me go up here and show you a close-up. Look how pretty. Can y'all hear the bees working? Boy, they are enjoying themselves. We got little bees, honey bees. Well, they're working this tree. But she's a pretty thing this year. But I just wanted to give y'all this garden update and let you see how it's going. We got a couple peppers, and I'm excited that we got that little baby zucchini. And I can't wait to see how these Crowder peas turn out. Look how pretty up close. Well, all right, y'all, that's my garden video update. I thought I'd just bring it to you this morning while it wasn't so hot out here. Yesterday, it was so hot and sunny. This morning, it's sort of like an overcast, and it's not so bad. But this tree does give me a little bit of shade, thanks to Alan. We just want to say thanks for watching our channel. If you hadn't subscribed already, consider subscribing. And if you like our video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, give it the hype button, and share our videos. Happy gardening!